Have you ever wondered if AI could truly be intelligent, not just a complex calculator? We're on the brink of a revolution that will change how we measure and understand artificial intelligence forever. Forget what you know about Turing tests and complex benchmarks. By 2026, a new standard will emerge, the Machine Intelligence Quotient, or MIQ. This isn't just another tech acronym, it's a fundamental shift in how we'll evaluate, develop, and interact with AI. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand why MIQ is the key to unlocking AI's true potential and what it means for our future. So, what exactly is MIQ? Think of it like an IQ test, but for machines. For decades, we've measured AI based on its ability to perform specific, isolated tasks. Can it beat a grandmaster at chess? Yes. Can it identify a cat in a photo? Absolutely. But this is like judging a person's intelligence solely on their ability to solve a crossword puzzle. It misses the bigger picture. True intelligence isn't just about specialized skills. It's about adaptability, learning, reasoning, and even a degree of common sense. This is where MIQ comes in. It's a comprehensive framework designed to assess a machine's cognitive abilities in a more holistic way. MIQ moves beyond narrow task-oriented evaluations. Instead, it will focus on several key pillars. The first is core knowledge and reasoning. This tests an AI's understanding of the world, its ability to connect disparate pieces of information and to make logical deductions. It's not about memorizing facts from the internet, but about genuinely understanding concepts and their relationships. For example, an AI with a high MIQ score would not just know that rain makes things wet, but it could infer that if it's raining, the streets will be slippery, traffic might be slower, and people will be carrying umbrellas. The second pillar is learning and adaptability. This is crucial. A truly intelligent system shouldn't need to be retrained from scratch every time it encounters a new problem. MIQ will measure how efficiently an AI can learn from new information, adapt to changing circumstances, and apply knowledge from one domain to another. This is called transfer learning, and it's something we humans do naturally. We learn to ride a bike, and those skills help us when we later learn to ride a scooter or a motorcycle. We need our AIs to do the same. An AI excelling in this area could learn a new programming language based on its knowledge of others, or quickly master a new game by recognizing patterns from games it has played before. Next up, we have natural interaction. This is all about communication. How well can an AI understand not just the words we say, but the context, the nuance, and the unspoken intent behind them? This pillar of MIQ assesses an AI's ability to engage in fluid, meaningful conversation, understand humor, sarcasm, and cultural references. It is the difference between a chatbot that can answer a direct question and a digital assistant that feels like a genuine conversational partner, one that can anticipate your needs and respond with empathy. And finally, we have the pillar of creativity and problem solving. This is where things get really exciting. Can an AI generate a truly original idea? Can it devise a novel solution to a problem it has never seen before? MIQ will test for this by presenting AIs with open-ended challenges that don't have a single right answer. This could involve anything from composing a piece of music in a specific emotional style to designing a more efficient city layout. This is about moving AI from a tool of replication to a partner in innovation. So, why 2026? Why is this happening now? The timing is no accident. We're at a tipping point. AI models are growing exponentially more powerful. We have large language models that can write poetry and generate code, and diffusion models that create stunning visual art. But as their capabilities grow, so does the need for a better way to measure them. The old benchmarks are becoming obsolete. They don't capture the emergent abilities we're starting to see. The tech community, from leading research labs to industry giants, recognizes this gap. 2026 is the target year because it provides a realistic timeline for researchers to collaborate, refine the MIQ framework, and build the complex testing environments needed to implement it. This gives the industry time to prepare for a new era of development. The implications of MIQ are massive. For developers and researchers, it creates a clear and ambitious target. Instead of optimizing for narrow tasks, they will be incentivized to build more general, robust, and truly intelligent systems. This will accelerate progress toward artificial general intelligence, or AGI, the long-sought goal of creating machines with human-like cognitive abilities. The competition will shift from who has the biggest model to who has the most intelligent model according to MIQ. For businesses and industries, MIQ will be a game changer. It will provide a reliable benchmark for choosing the right AI solutions. When a company wants to integrate AI into its customer service, for example, it can look at the MIQ scores of different models, specifically focusing on their natural interaction capabilities. This standardized measure will bring clarity and accountability to the AI marketplace, helping organizations make smarter investments and avoid the hype. Imagine a hospital choosing a diagnostic AI based on its MIQ score for reasoning and accuracy, or a movie studio using a high-creativity AI to brainstorm script ideas. MIQ will make these decisions easier and more effective. And what about for us, the general public? The rise of MIQ will mean better, more useful, and more reliable AI in our daily lives. Imagine personal assistants that truly understand you and can manage complex tasks on your behalf. Think of educational tools that adapt to each student's unique learning style, or healthcare AIs that provide personalized wellness advice. As AIs become more intelligent by the MIQ standard, they will become more capable partners, helping us solve some of the world's most pressing challenges, from climate change to disease research. It means a future where technology doesn't just execute commands, but collaborates with us. Of course, developing a universal standard like MIQ is not without its challenges. How do you design tests that are truly fair and unbiased? How do you account for different types of intelligence? A creative AI might not score as high on logical reasoning, and vice versa. The creators of MIQ are actively working on these problems. The framework is being designed to be modular, allowing for different profiles of intelligence to be recognized. It's not about a single number, but a rich, multi-dimensional profile that shows an AI's strengths and weaknesses across the different pillars. There's also a massive global effort underway to ensure the test data is diverse and culturally representative, to avoid the biases that have plagued earlier AI systems. The road to 2026 will be filled with fascinating developments. We'll see preliminary versions of the MIQ tests being released, and we'll watch as AI labs around the world start preparing their models for this new challenge. It will be like the AI Olympics, a global stage where the world's most advanced minds, both human and artificial, come together to push the boundaries of what's possible. The machine intelligence quotient isn't just a new test, it's a new philosophy for artificial intelligence. It's a declaration that we are moving beyond simple automation and striving for genuine machine cognition. It's about building AI that can reason, learn, create, and communicate in ways that will profoundly augment human potential. The world in 2026 will look very different, and MIQ will be at the heart of that transformation. It's the benchmark of tomorrow, and it's being built today. What are your thoughts on this? Do you think MIQ is the right way to measure AI, or are there other factors we should consider? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear your perspective. Thanks so much for watching, and if you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology. I'll see you in the next one.